There once was a young boy who struggled with controlling his anger and would often speak harshly without thinking about how it affected others. His father decided to help him learn a lesson. He gave the boy a hammer and a bag of nails and instructed him to drive a nail into the backyard fence whenever he lost his temper. At first, the boy hammered in many nails, as he was frequently angry. However, over time, he began to manage his temper better and used fewer nails. Eventually, his father told him that whenever he was able to avoid getting angry for an entire day, he could remove one nail from the fence. The boy diligently worked at controlling his anger and removed all the nails from the fence. Proud of his progress, he showed the fence to his father. His father pointed out the numerous holes left behind, even though the nails were gone. He gently reminded his son that, just like the fence, the damage caused by hurtful words cannot be undone, even if one apologizes. The boy understood that while he could control his anger, the effects of his words would remain long after. Moral: anger leaves scars on people.